In this video, we are going to learn how you can gift courses in Tutor LMS. So let's get started. This is a new feature in Tutor LMS where you can purchase a course and gift it to your friends, families, or your colleagues. So let's see how you can do that. First of all, you can see that we have a Tutor LMS powered WordPress website over here. We also have logged into our WordPress admin dashboard. And the first thing that we are going to do is hover our mouse over Tutor LMS Pro and click on Settings. If you are wondering that if you need Tutor LMS Pro for this, then you are right. You need Tutor LMS Pro in order to use this feature. Then we are going to go to the course section over here and scroll down, and you can see there's an option, Enable Course Gifting. We're going to enable this and click on Save Changes button over here. Now we have the course gifting feature already enabled. But before we take a look at the feature, first we're going to take a look at how the course gifting email will look like. For that, we're going to go to the add-on section, and over here we're going to enable the email add-on. Now once this is successfully enabled, we're going to go back to the settings, click on email, scroll down, and here is the gift course delivery notification, gift course purchase confirmation. So if you click on edit, we will be able to see how the email will look like. So this is the subject. Congrats, a special gift is ready for you. So this is what your users will see, or the person you're gifting will receive an email with this subject. You can also edit this subject if you want. The next is the email heading, and it says great news. You can edit this as well. In the email body, we can see buyer name has gifted you course name course on this site. Now, the values you see within these curly brackets, so the buyer name, the name of the buyer, the person who purchased this course, their name is going to show up over here, has gifted you the course name. So the course they have purchased, the name of that course will show up over here on the site name. So the name of the site will be given over here. Okay, you can customize the entire body if you want. You can also send a test mail to see how this looks like. All right, so if we go back, we will also be able to edit the purchase confirmation. So if you click on edit, you can see that this is what it will look like. Your gifted course is on its way, username. You have successfully gifted this course to the recipient. The delivery is scheduled for, and here will be delivery date. So now let's head over to the front end and see how this feature looks like. So if we visit our site, if we view the courses, and let's say we click on this course, you can see there's gift this course button over here. So if you click on it, you'll have to add the recipient's name, recipient's email address. When you want to send this gift, you can also add an optional message. And finally, click on proceed to checkout. So you have to purchase this course in order to provide it as a gift. And once you do, the recipient is going to receive the email, and you have already seen how the email body looks like. So if we close this up, and if we head over to an official support resource, this is an official support resource. If we scroll down over here, okay, so this is how it will look like. Once you confirm your billing address, make this order, and now if we scroll down, this is the email will look like. As you can see, the name of the person who purchased this course will show up, the name of the course will show up, and finally, the site name will show up over here. Once they click on Reveal Gift, they are going to see this gift on their dashboard of that website. Of course, if they don't have an account, they will first have to create an account on the Tutor LMS site, and then they will be able to receive the gift. Okay? Now, another important thing is that this feature is only available in the Pro version of Tutor LMS. So in the free version, you won't have access to this feature. So if you guys want to get Tutor LMS, you can check the video description for a link. And let's also check the pricing of Tutor LMS. Now, Tutor LMS has annual and lifetime plan. The annual plan starts with the individual tier, which is available for $199 a year, and this gives you one site license. The next plan is available for $399 a year, which gives you up to 10 site licenses. And finally, the agency tier is available for $799, which gives you unlimited site licenses. Now, it doesn't matter which tier you purchase, you're going to get all the features of Tutor LMS. The only difference is the number of site license. If we switch over to the lifetime plans, now you can see these are a bit expensive, but these are only one-time payment. If you want to learn how you can create courses in Tutor LMS, how you can create quizzes, how you can add assignments, how the quiz builder works, how you can create certificates, etc., we have tutorials on these topics. You can find it in the video description. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.